Alright, so what we got here is a Mercedes SLC 180 2019. This car can come with CarPlay on the original system. So what we've done is we've integrated it onto the original system. Now, as you can see, you got the original system still intact. You can still use your navigation and all that on the system. So what you do, you press and hold the back button, and it will now switch over to the CarPlay system. It's fully wireless, so no wires are needed. And you can use your original controller to control the system as well. All the music comes to the original system as well. And you can use all your favorite apps. Google Maps, Waze, Spotify will all show on the screen. And you can switch back to the original system by pressing and hold the back button again. So if you want something like this retrofitted on your vehicle, just give us a shout. I'll see the link down below to see where it's to take you to the product, so you can purchase it if you want. Thank you. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.